Hello there,
Hey, yo, what's up, guys? Today we're back in another video.
and subscribe to Eason underscore the best. Otherwise, you might get chosen to get on this A380 with us or the Concorde. Ooh,
Maybe. Wait, Ethan, do you want to see this?
yeah.
Maybe we can show how is the Concorde.
Maybe we can.
Yeah.
If if all of you guys subscribe, I will choose one lucky person to join
Okay,
us.
two.
Yeah, we will choose two lucky people. Where are you, bro?
I'm outside.
Are you outside the flipping plane?
Yeah.
Bruh. Like, guys, sorry if this is kind of annoying you.
Our passengers are boarding.
Okay, hold on. I'm sorry. Just ignore this. Just ignore that. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, Albert.
What?
Look at this. Every single plane of his is literally Emirates.
What?
Oh, and look, where's Delta Airlines? There's United Airlines. There's a old United Airlines, and there's a Delta Airlines. And there's an unknown airline taking off right now. Wait, did a unknown airline just land? Yeah, a unknown airline just landed. Oh, this is where we sleep. This is where we sleep, Albert. This is literally where we sleep. Albert, come here.
Ethan?
What?
I gotta go take a piss in Roblox.
Oh my god. Okay, ma'am, you have to put your phone in airplane mode. I'm gonna take this first class seat for myself. Okay, can we
No first class seats.
can we depart now? Has everyone
Yeah, everyone boarded. Close the front, close the upper door.
Okay, closing now. Okay,
Pushback.
Okay, passenger checks. Ladies and gentlemen, we are preparing for departure. Okay, you ready for departure, Albert? Okay, flight attendants, arm doors, and cross check.
Alright, I'm doing that right now.
Guys, you know what I noticed? Chat. You know what I've noticed through my YouTube experience? Oh my God, the first class looks so amazing.
I know it's always amazing.
I'm coming to first class. This is my house
Hey,
now.
no free class, first class.
For me?
What? Actually, you could go downstairs and get free first class.
Oh, yay.
Because I'm watching this first class.
Okay, wait, pause. What? Oh, found a seat. Oh,
I'm
it
gonna
is.
go downstairs and get a seat.
It's literally raining right now.
Alright, we're taking off.
Albert.
Yeah?
Should I set my game to 240 FPS?
I don't know.
Should I do it?
We're taking off.
Yeah, I'm gonna just do 60 FPS. Okay, dear passengers, prepare for takeoff. Okay, we are hitting a bit of turbulence.
Not turbulence, takeoff.
Takeoff turbulence.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
that's
butter landing.
butter landing.
Yeah, that's butter.
I mean, I don't agree with you. Bro, we already...
That's not a butter. hard landing.
Bro, we are already hitting turbulence, bro. Can you believe that?
You.
Alright.
I'm just gonna go AFK while this thing flies.
Okay.
We got flight attendants. Nowhere we got flight attendants.
Hey, at least we don't need to do everything on our own, right?
Yeah.
We have 7 flight attendants right now.
Mhm.
And you know how much this one flight gives me? It gives me
$5,000.
It gives me $6,180
Mhm.
in game money. Look at this. Emirates. So, Albert, tell them why we're
Yeah.
flying Emirates.
What?
Tell them why we're flying Emirates.
Because actually one of my favorite airlines is Emirates Airline.
Bro,
And I make every of my plane liberties.
bro,
Emirates.
your favorite airline is literally China Eastern. Usually
I said it's one of my favorite.
I just saw a Delta plane
Okay.
and I'm following it. No, it's not a Delta, it's LATAM. And it's an Airbus A350. Where are you, bruh? Shall we check on the passengers?
Not now.
Damn. These flight attendants are booking it. Why is people literally? Albert, come upstairs. Come upstairs. Come upstairs, bro.
You're disturbing me from an AFK.
Look at the lounge.
What do you want?
Look
Where
at
are
the
you?
lounge. Look at the lounge in the back of the plane. It's literally packed.
Mhm.
Let's see how the
Sir, here's your lemonade.
dang. Bro, the flight attendants are literally
This nice latte.
so good. Bro, they literally served everybody.
All my flight attendants are all 5-star.
Five hours left until we arrive at New York City.
No, Tahiti.
Okay, who cares? Should I touch the joystick? Such
Your
as-
choice.
I can't interact with it. Why is the landing gear down? Yo, take me out the cockpit. It's extremely tiny in there. Wait, they're done. All the flight attendants are done. Damn. End of flight, ladies and gentlemen. Oh shit, I pressed the wrong one. Okay, do we collect trash now? Bro,
Yeah.
why is everyone flying economy? Okay, I'm gonna go take a dump. Don't come in. Oh. Okay, I'm done with
喂，
it.
爸爸，
I'm
你在
done.
哪儿啊？
我们的房间，
不是，你在奶奶房间还是在我们房间？
我们房
I
间，
am done with my dun
在我们房间。
dun.
睡着了？
啊，
Wait, hold up.
弄啊！
什么意思？怎么弄？
What
好
the
那
flip?
好了，我下去。
好，
Albert.
What? Yeah.
Where are we going right now? I feel unsafe on this plane.
we're going to what's it called? We're going to Tahiti.
Okay, I feel scared on this plane right now.
Same.
Because there's literally 2 babies in the lounge.
Mhm.
They kind of look cute though. This is the most stupidest thing I've ever done in my life. Bro, this is the dumbest thing I've ever done.
Bruh.
The flipping... Look at this, Albert. Go to FreeCam and look. I'm literally outside the plane.
What the fuck? Jet to holiday.
Nothing beats. It's literally floating in the air. That makes no sense. Okay, I'm gonna try to get out this place. And guess what, Albert?
What?
Okay, finally, it's over. Okay, can I close the curtains? Albert, close the curtains.
Okay.
Close every single curtain. Okay, Albert. Bro, I can't close this curtain. Albert, Zhang.
Yeah.
Close every single curtain you see.
Okay.
If a flight attendant tries to open them, they're cooked. I'll close this one. I'll close it.
Okay.
This is literally
Are you
full.
still recording?
I can make a video as long as I want right now.
Okay.
Hey, everyone's gone from the lounge, finally.
Yay.
Finally, no more poopy lemonade.
Mhm.
妈，一星期不睡吧？一星期不睡吧？
Angry Birds. Somebody's watching Angry Birds. Someone's watching it. Someone's watching Angry Birds. Someone's watching Angry Birds. Albert, someone's watching Angry Birds.
Bruh.
不能就拿不能答应。
Should I see what other people are? Someone's watching Frozen.
这点你也睡过哈？
Bro, mealtime is over. Mealtime is over.
Okay.
Bro. Oh my gosh, that's the dumbest thing I've ever seen. A kid's watching Frozen. A literal boy's watching Frozen.
不睡了。一般就跟那个爬墙卡一样。
Ethan, wait for me. Stole my seat.
I took your shit.
But he also stole my seat.
Lol. Albert, can I tell you what you are?
Yeah?
Can I tell you what you are right now?
What?
You are this.
Bad?
他吃了。
You are this.
Okay.
A bear.
Bruh.
我帮你喝了。
Bruh.
Okay. No chat. No. Okay. No.
说语吗？
So I like
去年
dark
去18年给好好睡，要
mode
不你
game challenge. What should I do
没事，
though?
我看了呢，看了。
Settings, interface, gameplay, tutorial, turbulence. Oh damn!
那个都说我只有在这儿陪着他们。那不是，我看他又给我发2瓶水，我那50瓶的小瓶水够喝了。
那怎么你拿吧？
Wait, Albert, we're landing? We're landing?
We're preparing.
So that means we're landing.
Yeah, we're landing.
Yep, I see. Oh, shoot. Okay, crash landing.
Yeah, probably will crash land.
Okay, we're seated. Okay,
Alright.
whoa. Come on, put the captain. Wait,
Oh no.
Wait, why is there a gear missing? Why is there a gear missing? What?
The front gear is missing.
A gear's missing. No, 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 no. Go around, go around, go around. We're going around, we're going around, we're going around. No, please wait for further announcement from the captain.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Bro, should I tell everyone to brace for impact?
Brace for impact, peoples.
Brace for impact.
Brace. Impact. Brace for impact.
No one.
Brace for impact. Brace.
Okay, the front. Okay, Albert, tell people to get in brace now. Brace for impact. Brace for impact. Heads down, stay down.
Heads down, knees down, brace.
Brace
Heads down, face down,
for
brace.
impact. Heads down, stay down. Okay, we're gonna die. Okay, we're actually gonna die. We're actually gonna die.
Brace for impact. Brace for impact.
Why do I feel like we're not gonna make it?
Brace for impact.
Okay, okay.
Everyone heads down, knees down, brace.
Is everyone braced?
I don't know. No. Listeners class haven't braced yet. Heads down, face down, brace. Heads down, face
Brace. Oh my god.
Face
We're
down, brace.
okay.
Heads down,
The
face down,
landing
brace.
gear's broken. The landing gear's broken.
We're landing.
Oh my gosh. Brace for impact. Okay, we're landing. Why are the pilots smiling? It's not okay.
We're landing.
We're landing. The front landing gear's gone. The front landing gear's gone. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Landing gear's
No,
gone.
no.
Landing gear's gone.
Landing gear. Fire trucks. Lots of gear down.
One. Yeah. Oh no.
We're veering off the runway.
他问你为什么也不给他买点些东西？
Oh my god, there's smoke. Open the slide. Now, open the slide. Open all doors. Open all doors.
这个很正常。半路的意思是他3年级就会了。韩琛说他5年级。
Open every single door now. Now.
说的不对，韩琛说他1年级就会。
Open all doors now.
Heads down, brace.
Brace.
Evacuate.
Doors are open. Open door.
没有啊，我都我领过。哎我靠！
Is everyone gone? There's still people in here. Evacuate. Albert, there's still people in the aircraft.
经济有点透支吧，好好休息。
There's still people in the aircraft.
I know. I'm clearing everyone.
Evacuate. Did you not hear? Evacuate now.
这里
Evacuate.
Evacuate now. Is everyone out, Albert?
我们住这个地方，
No.
对人民党对他。
Upstairs. Is everyone evacuated?
No, not everyone. Evacuate.
就给到海军总部，美国海军总部这边。
Has everyone evacuated?
We don't know yet.
There's fire. There's fire. There's fire. Run, run, run. Wait, actually, we're
这儿
invincible.
藏有点老东西，200多年，
Albert, we're
这
invincible.
一看都是树上学的东西。
Albert, we could just stay in the fire for as long as we want.
Is everyone in? Oh, everyone.
How'd you get in the
这
cockpit?
个州议院约的，等于是省人大代表约的。对，今天去人家办公室，然后领着转了一圈。
People are looking at the plane right now. Everyone's frown is literally upside down.
他们都觉着那个州
啊
大情况。
Yeah? Yes?
Good thing everyone's safe.
Okay, Albert, you could be in charge of my video for now.
我说等你去北京，我说那你就是那不是首都了，肯定人多。大家好，
咚咚咚咚咚咚。
我说那个首都了，肯定人多。
Oh my god. Places. Oh, teleporting.
到还没过武汉嘛？
How much money you got? Ethan.
对，争取给人家提下来。
Go plane. You do. Tala. What did you do? What did you do? 我说你刚才蹦一下，怎么回事？
过来，韩晨跟你爷爷说说话。过来，你洗澡没有？
去
你去给这道去张耳朵。
爷爷。
我不管。你问一个鞋带儿今天要长几次？
Yo, Albert.
给你爷告状。
Albert?
告诉你。
我不想丢脸。
Albert.
呀，我不想丢脸。
你不就这样？
I'm gonna go make a new flight. I'm gonna make.
有点下雨。
Alright, guys, that's gonna be the end of our video.
啊，一出来。
Peace.
Hello.